Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. This command installs a tool called Trimage using the package manager apt in Linux. Trimage is an application designed for optimizing images file size, particularly PNG and JPG files. Next, you need to check the version once the installation is complete. Now you can start to work with Trimage. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.